Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix nearby friends not showing on Facebook. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, let me show you in Facebook. You have to tap on three lines and then you have to tap on settings, and here you can see it's not showing, and here you can see it's not showing here nearby option. When you first open this menu, you can see here nearby option, but you can see here it's not showing here now. So what you have to do is just simply close this page and you have to open any browser in your phone, like I am opening Google Chrome here, and you have to tap on Facebook older version, APK, and from here you have to tap on first link, and here are the older version. Here you can see guys. So you have to install your February Facebook version. So you can see here February. So you have to install February Facebook. Firstly you have to uninstall your Facebook, and then you have to install this one or this one. Okay guys, so you can install from here. Here you can see download APK, so you can download from here. So this is the older version. After installing, you have to log in your account and you will see nearby option on Facebook. So let me tell you that you have to on location on Facebook, and Facebook suggests your nearby friend. So that's it guys for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.